Welcome. This is Zangler, the Tesla Semi Advocate, and today's video is going to be from the pilot production line. It seems that you got to give them what they want, and actual video of the Tesla Semi in action seems to be more popular than the factory construction up at Giga Semi. You'll see a little bit of Giga Semi in the background at the end of this video. Here's an interesting take on a Tesla Semi on the eastern side of the pilot production building at Milan. And you'll see this bobtail semi come around, park, and you'll be able to see the suicide doors as the driver exits from the Tesla Semi and goes into the building. We're going to fly along the eastern edge of the building and pay attention to how many Tesla Semis you see over here. I'll let you count for yourself and see if your count matches with mine. You'll see a bunch of tires for the semis. Those could be either brand new ones or used ones. We're flying from north to south, and we're going to turn around the corner of the pilot production building. And the pilot production for Tesla takes up about half of this leased building. We're flying on a Sunday and wanted to get video of the Tesla Semi versus the construction site that I flew the drone at on Friday. This is where it gets interesting. I'm going to include a clip from about a month ago when there was about 30 Tesla Semis parked on the western side of this building. And we're about to fly up we're now at the southern end of the building, and we're going to fly up to the northern end of the building, and the Tesla Semis will come into view. The reason I will include the video from a month ago is because instead of 30 Tesla Semis, I now count about 20 here. There's one pulling in. I would venture to guess that that's the same bobtail semi that we just saw moments ago when the driver went into the building. What's going on here on the right is an actual production Tesla Semi getting a shower from a mobile semi cleaning truck. This is the video from about a month or 6 weeks ago, and there's clearly a lot more Tesla Semis. And the game we can play is, where are those Tesla Semis? My guess would be that they are just on the other side of the building and being used by Tesla production. Just to clarify, there are two distinct organizations at Tesla that drive the semis. One of them is the engineering group, and they are endurance testing and have been endurance testing them from the beginning. The other group is Tesla production, and they're the ones that drive Tesla Semis back and forth between Giga Nevada, battery, pack, drive motors, and Powerwalls are the product that they deliver to Fremont and beyond, and probably to a distribution center for the Powerwalls. So there's two different groups, and they do not cross. The drivers from the engineering group do not drive production vehicles over I-80 to Fremont, and the production drivers do not drive Tesla semis for engineering and endurance testing purposes. The other possibility for where the missing 10 or so semis, Tesla semis are that they were actually delivered to a customer either for testing as a short term, as they have done in the past, or delivery to an actual customer, or permanent delivery to an actual customer other than Pepsi. And Dan Priestley, the head of the Tesla Semi Engineering division at Tesla, did mention that later this year, another customer would receive Tesla semis. Several customers have received demo semis to trial, but I'm thinking that some of these Tesla semis may eventually be delivered to that customer that Dan Priestley referred to. Now you can see the Tesla Semi factory, Giga Semi on the left being constructed, and Legacy Giga Nevada in the background. Thanks for joining.